Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. Enter your phone pin, you will check your problem is solved, but if it not solved, again open quick settings panel and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset. Scroll down to and click on reset accessibility settings and click on reset settings. Enter your phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.